AI is going to destroy real human connection. Wrong! AI can strengthen real human connection. Last week, I saw a couple at my office after a brutal fight. They'd been circling the same argument for 6 months. She felt unseen, he felt attacked. Within 2 weeks of our first session, they weren't just talking, they were laughing about how an AI chatbot helped them finally hear each other. I'm Dr. Amanda Pasciucco, marriage and family therapist. Here's what's possible when you use AI intentionally. You learn how to say the tough stuff without it blowing up. Most couples either avoid the hard conversation completely or say it in a way that triggers defensiveness and shutdown. Either path creates more distance and less desire. A 2025 study in the Journal of Consumer Research found that talking to an AI reduced loneliness just as well as talking to another person. When you're less drained and less lonely, you have more patience and warmth left for the person that you love. Research and scientific reports showed that couples who used AI suggestions while texting sent messages that landed softer and built more closeness. AI feels like a safe place to say the scary stuff. A 2024 study on ChatGPT for relationship counseling found that people opened up more honestly to the AI than they did their therapist. That guise of safety becomes a bridge of connection when you need it most. Also, AI is a practice place for skills, talking about setting a boundary or discussing a fantasy or date night. There's zero worry about the human component of rejection. AI is not a magician. You and your partner are the ones who have to put in the work. Yet AI can be an amazing companion that you can use on purpose while keeping it in its lane. This week, when you're spiraling alone at 11 p.m., vent to your AI instead of waking up your partner and ask it to help you. Maybe it can help you rephrase something that you're worried about saying and have it give you a variety of possible outcomes you could get from this type of conversation. Then come back to the comments and tell me what happened. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and the bell for more. Your relationship deserves the best. See you next week.